Ayun o. Naiwan daw ni Mrs. yung telepono. Babalikan lang natin. Hanapin lang natin yung telepono. Ayun na nga sila. Naghihintay. Oh. Nandun lang sa sasakyan. Nasa seat. Oh, say hi.
Hi guys.
Hi. Hey, go dami. Let's go there. South Center Mall. Saan? Oh. Nakita niya yung mga stuffed toys. May kilala mo tong mga to? Sino to?
Ikaw yan.
Ikaw yan. Oh, look at this. Naruto. This is what Kuya likes.
And also, Daddy, she's the one that bites people.
Yan, labas na tayo ito. Baka may gusto pang bilhin si Ayana. Oh, yan. Oh, sabi niya. Daddy, may Dalarama din dito, sabi. Daddy kin sa Dalarama. Ha? Baka gumasto pa. Talaga pagod siya. Gusto niyang kunin yung stroller. Eh, $8. Napagod from school. Hindi ko lang alam.
Yeah, I want.
Southland Mall. South Center Mall. Hindi kasi tayo naglalabas eh. Kaya hindi natin alam. Ganda na ng South Center Mall oh. Dati may fountain niya dati dyan eh. Kaya lang tinanggal na. Linagyan na ng mga ganyan. Tagal na si kaming hindi lumabas eh. Oh, ganda na oh. Pasyal-pasyal muna guys. Oh.
Hi, baby.
Yeah. Ice cream, which one do you like? Chocolate?
The birthday cake. Definitely the birthday cake.
Birthday cake?
Definitely.
Is it an ice cream or what is it?
Oh, you try. Oh, you like? Eli! Ayaw! What will you say? Thank you.
You want salt and pepper, sir?
Sure, please. You know. Yo. You know. Thank you. Ham and egg. There you go.
Unang kagat.
Unang kagat. Creep lahat. Pero sa ila. Si Ate Heart, ini-enjoy na niya yung ice cream niya.
I thought it was an ice cream.
Yan. Egg and ham na may cheese.
I wanted some. You only gave Daddy,
Mm.
Mom, and Eli. Oh.
What's it taste like? Good?
Look guys, it's blue. I was sprinkle.
Yeah. Look at Eli. Ang daming morkat ni Eli.
Wait, what? Doesn't do what Kuya does it. Like that.
Yummy Eli. Eli, gimas, ha. Bili tayo ng drinks. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nila. Oat milk, soy milk. I'm just checking. Give me a second. Kasi lactose ano tayo eh. Lactose intolerant tayo eh. Ano yung maganda. Try natin yung ano, mango strawberry yogurt smoothie. Thank you. How is it? I-try daw ni Ate Heart muna. There's 3 layers. Pink, white, and ano. I think this is strawberry. That one is the ano, mango and yogurt. May pearl yan ah. Nailay. Hello. Oh, come on. Nice. Ayan na nga guys, oh. Oh. Nasa loob kami ng Dollarama guys. Di pwedeng hindi tayo ano, papasok dito. Oh. Yung mga hindi kailangan na binibili. Buy what you need, not what you want. Pati yung cone na orange bibilin. Yun na nga guys, nakalabas na tayo ng mall. Pauwi na tayo. Oh, yun yung si Heart. Tumalon na siya doon.